Now we will discuss about the differentiation of a function. Let y equal to f of x be a function. The derivative of y with respect to x is denoted by dy by dx. We define dy by dx equal to f dash of x that equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. It is also called the first principle of the function in differentiation. Fundamental theorem on differentiation. Let f comma g are derivable functions of x, then d by dx of f plus or minus g of x that equal to d by dx of f of x plus or minus d by dx of g of x. Second property, the derivative of c into f of x with respect to x that equal to, here c is constant, c into the derivative of f of x with respect to x. Third property, the derivative of f of x into g of x with respect to x that equal to f of x into the derivative of g of x with respect to x plus g of x into the derivative of f of x with respect to x. This is called the product rule. Next, fourth one is the derivative of f of x divided by g of x that equal to g of x into derivative of f of x with respect to x minus f of x into derivative of g of x with respect to x divided by g of x whole square. This is called the quotient rule. Derivative of standard functions. Function y equal to f of x. Derivative of the function dy by dx. Y equal to f of x equal to x power n. The derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1, where n belongs to R. The function y equal to f of x equal to 1 by x. The derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, and the function y equal to f of x equal to a power x. A is greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1. The derivative of a power x is a power x into log a to the base e. The derivative of e power x, that is e power x, the derivative of log x to the base e, that is 1 by x, and the derivative of sin x, that is cos x, the derivative of cos x, that is minus sin x, the derivative of tan x, that is secant square x, the derivative of secant x, that is secant x into tan x, the derivative of cosecant x minus cosecant x into cot x. The derivative of cot x, that is minus cosecant square x. The derivative of sin inverse x, that is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. The derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Here minus 1 less than x is less than 1. The derivative of tan inverse of x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square. The derivative of secant inverse of x, that is 1 by modulus of x into square root of x square minus 1. Here modulus of x is greater than 1. The derivative of cosecant inverse of x, that is minus 1 by modulus of x into square root of x square minus 1. Here modulus of x is greater than 1. The derivative of cot inverse of x, that is 1 by minus 1 by 1 plus x square for all x belongs to R. Now we will discuss about the chain rule. If f and g are two differentiable functions and f circle g is exist, then d by dx of f circle g of x, that equal to d by dx of, that means the derivative of f of g of x with respect to x, that equal to f dash of g of x into g dash of x. For example, the derivative of sin of 2x plus 3. Here 2x plus 3 is the internal function. First we can treat this is of the form sin x. The derivative of sin x, that is cos x, in the place of x, 2x plus 3 into the internal function is 2x plus 3. The derivative of 2x plus 3, that is 2. Another example is the derivative of ax plus b whole to the power of n. Here internal function is ax plus b. We can treat this as x power n form. The derivative of x power n, that is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Here in the place of x, that is ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1 into the internal function ax plus b derivative is a. And one more example is the derivative of log of ax plus b to the base e, that equal to, this is of the form log x derivative, that is 1 by ax plus b into the internal function derivative is ax plus b derivative, that is a. The derivative of e power ax plus b with respect to x, that equal to, this is of the form e power x derivative is e power ax plus b into ax plus b derivative is a. And one more is derivative of tan of ax plus b with respect to x, that equal to, this is of the form tan x. The derivative of tan x is secant square x, in the place of x ax plus b. The derivative of ax plus b is a. Write that a, the product of the derivative of the function. Note, first one, the derivative of f of g of h of x. That means internally involved more than one function, that equal to f dash of g of h of x into g dash of h of x into h of x derivative is h dash of x. And second one is d by dx of f of ax plus b, that equal to f dash of ax plus b into internal function is ax plus b, that derivative is a. And one example, y equal to sine of log of 2x plus 3. Here internally we have logarithmic function and algebraic function. Then dy by dx equal to the derivative of sine, that is cos of, in the place of x, log of 2x plus 3 into the derivative of internal function log, that is 1 by 2x plus 3, and one more internal function is, that is 2x plus 3. The derivative of 2x plus 3 is 2. So finally answer is 2 into cos of log of 2x plus 3 divided by 2x plus 3. Third point, if y equal to ax plus b by cx plus d, then dy by dx, that is derivative of y with respect to x, that is ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square. Explanation. If y equal to ax plus b divided by cx plus d, dy by dx equal to, here we are using quotient rule, that is f of x by g of x into, that is cx plus d into the derivative of ax plus b, that is a, minus ax plus b into the derivative of cx plus d, that is c, divided by cx plus d whole square, that equal to ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square. Fourth point is y equal to a into f of x plus b divided by c into f of x plus d. Then dy by dx, that is derivative of y with respect to x, that is ad minus bc by c into f of x plus d whole square into, internally we have the function f of x, that derivative is f dash of x. Explanation. If y equal to a into f of x plus b divided by c into f of x plus d, that implies dy by dx. Here we are using quotient rule, that is f of x by g of x formula, that is c into f of x plus d into the derivative of numerator, that is a into f dash of x minus a into f of x plus b into denominator derivative is c into f dash of x divided by c into f of x plus d whole square, that equal to ad minus bc into f dash of x divided by c into f of x plus d whole square. For example, y equal to a sin x plus b cos x divided by c sin x plus d cos x, then dy by dx equal to AD minus BC divided by C tan x plus D whole square into tan x derivative is secant square x. Fifth point. If y equal to e power log of f of x to the base e, that implies dy by dx equal to f dash of x. Sixth point. If y equal to log x to the base a, then the derivative of y with respect to x that equal to 1 by x into log a to the base e. Explanation. Given the function is y equal to log x to the base a, we have the formula the derivative of log x to the base e. But here we have log x to the base a. Change the base, that equal to log x to the base e divided by log a to the base e. Here log a is constant. Dy by dx equal to, so first we write the constant log a to the base e into the derivative of log x to the base e, that is 1 by x. So that equal to 1 by x into log a to the base e. For example, y equal to log x to the base 10, then dy by dx that equal to 1 by x into log 10 to the base e. Seventh point. If y equal to log of f of x to the base g of x. Here f of x and g of x are two functions in x. That implies dy by dx equal to log of g of x into f dash of x by f of x minus log of f of x into g dash of x by g of x divided by log of g of x whole square. Explanation. Given function y equal to log of f of x to the base g of x, but we have the formula logarithm of function with respect to the base e. Here base is g of x, we convert this one with the base e, that equal to log of f of x to the base e divided by log of g of x with the base e. Now dy by dx equal to, here we are using u by v rule. So that is log of g of x into the derivative of log of f of x, that is f dash of x by f of x minus log of numerator function is f of x into the derivative of denominator, that is g dash of x by g of x divided by log of g of x whole square. For example, y equal to log of sine of to the base x square, then dy by dx equal to log of x square into sin x derivative is cos x by sin x minus log of sin x into log of x square derivative is 2x by x square divided by log of x square whole square that equal to 2 into log x into cot x minus log of sin x divided by x whole divided by 2 into log x whole square. Eighth point, some important expansions. Now we will discuss the one important thing, that is split 1 plus x square plus x power 4 into factors, that is 1 minus x plus x square into 1 plus x square. Explanation. Here x power 4 plus x square plus 1 that equal to x power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 minus x square that equal to x square plus 1 whole square minus x square that equal to x square minus x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Here we are using a square minus b square. And e power x expansion is 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x power 3 by 3 factorial plus and so on to infinity. Now the derivative of e power x that equal to e power x. Next expansion is 1 minus x whole power minus 1 that equal to 1 plus x square plus and so on to infinity. Here modulus of x is less than 1. 1 minus x whole power minus 2 that equal to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus and so on to infinity. Here modulus of x is less than 1 that equal to d by dx of 1 minus x whole power minus 1. Next 1 minus x whole power minus 3 that equal to 1 plus 3x plus 6x square plus and so on to infinity. Here modulus of x is less than 1. Next one is log of 1 plus x to the base e expansion. X minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 plus and so on to infinity. Here minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 1. Eighth point, the derivative of some special functions, that is d by dx of log of x plus square root of x square plus a square to the base e that equal to 1 by root of x square plus a square. D by dx of log of x plus square root of x square minus a square that equal to 1 by square root of x square minus a square. D by dx of 1 by 2a into log of modulus of a plus x by a minus x that equal to 1 by a square minus x square. D by dx of 1 by 2a into log of x minus a by x plus a that equal to 1 by x square minus a square.